Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's Carter. I'm here with, as you can see, Addie and Meredith, and we're gonna play a game with you guys. We're gonna play Guess the Sound. So I'm gonna just make a bunch of random sounds to a black screen, and your job is to figure out what they are. So let's get to it. All right, guys, now take your guess. All right, hear it one more time. Now, did you get it right? It was glasses, lenses, smashing against each other. Thought you should have known that.
Okay, I have a sound.
Hear it one more time. Tell them what it was.
It is a plastic egg that has an object inside, so pretty obvious.
Hear it one more time.
This is all I can do.
Yeah.
They were, socks.
Well, here's my next sound. Hear it one more time.
It was a flashlight.
Hey. Hear it one more time. If you guys didn't guess it, it was a flamingo opening an egg. What the? That's disappointing. So I knew something was inside. It's... Oh my gosh, they put their gum on it. Like somebody literally... That's their gum. That's weird. It's like masking tape. Oh, it's a balloon? Oh my gosh. It's a balloon. Wrapped around in tape. Covered. Like destroyed. Look at that balloon. Look at the discoveries we're finding. Well, glad we got to find that one out. Thank you guys so much for sticking through this wonderful mystery game. I really hope you found some new sounds that you didn't know existed. And I'm Carter.
I'm Meredith.
I'm Addie.
And today, we love you. I can't get it.